And we are back, and today what we are going to do is solder this 90 millimeter duct fan to male bullet connector. That's what we're going to do today. All right, I'm going to plug in this soldering iron here, 30 watt. Okay, we're going to do use that, and we have our flux to help with bonding, and of course you want good electrical soldering iron. Now this doesn't come with flux. It says silver bearing rosin called solder, so and then I have flux in the middle, so that's why you're gonna need some of this. Okay, let me just plug in the iron and we'll get started, because you want the iron to get good, nice and hot. All right. Got that plugged in. So, you take some of this rosin paste off. Okay. And I'm going to pick what wire to solder first. I think I want it to be this black wire. Take it. Dip a little bit in here. All you need is a little bit. You don't need much. Right? I don't want to put too much paste on there. You could use a brush, of course, but that's not necessary here because I'm only doing a little bit, not a whole lot. Take a little bit of that paste off there. Yeah. Okay. And we're going to start it in that one. Put the bullet connector back into its spot. Okay. This iron nice and hot. Fan over here. Make sure that your wire is bent, your soldering wire, and that the iron is hot. So, set together. You're going to have the iron tacked on the back of the bullet connector. Let me do this. Okay. Careful. Get it nice and hot. Usually takes about 2 or 3 minutes to get it good and hot. This iron is not hot enough yet, so you gotta let it burn a little bit. There it is. It's starting to burn up good. I'm gonna get that part really, really hot. There it is. Has to get cooking. Yeah, because some little bit coming up there. There it is. Ooh. All right. Getting hot. There it is. With that nice hot bubble there. There it is. Only takes a couple seconds for it to harden. Okay, that's one. Gotta let it cool, because it will burn the S out you, that's for sure. Okay. Let's take it out and see. There we go. Pretty good. All right.